guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day wherever you are in the world. In the spirit of all things Halloween and spooky, I thought we have to do something pumpkin themed. Like, it is not Halloween if we don't have a pumpkin involved. This little guy was $3 from the supermarket, so it's a really cheap and affordable Halloween activity for you guys to do. So whether it's a kids activity or getting your mates or your girlfriends or anyone together and doing a little painting pumpkin date, it is so affordable and a really fun activity to do. So I'm gonna get straight into it and paint this little guy, and I'm so excited to show you guys what my idea is. I'm so excited to paint my little pumpkin, but before I get into that, I have to show my one little Halloween decoration that I currently have, which is my little cute bat basket. I love it, it's so cute. Let me show you guys a bit closer. How cute is he? So he's my little contribution to the Halloween theme and decor in my room. So he'll be our little friend for the day. Okay, so now I've mixed my colors together, I'm going to give you guys the inspo pics that I'm going to try and make for my mini baby little pumpkin. So I'll put them here for a second for you guys to look at, but my idea is to actually do both of these designs but on either side of the pumpkin. So it's kind of like a two-faced pumpkin. I feel like that would be pretty cool. So I'm really excited for it. I'm hoping that some kind of artistic like god or something comes out and like can just make me do this really easily, because I don't actually think I have the skills to do it, but I'm gonna try my best. So that's as good as we got. My toxic trait is thinking I can do anything craft related with complete ease and zero skill, zero experience. But we're gonna do our best and see what happens. So I'm very excited for it. And now is the time to trace everything out. So I'm going to try freehand these drawings just with a pencil and kind of mark out what I want on both sides of the pumpkin to get the little faces. So yeah, I'm just going to trace it out while you guys just get to enjoy the little time lapse of me doing so. Okay, I have my designs kind of drawn on. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it because it is in pencil. That is my vampire sketch. I got the hairline kind of happening, somewhat of the ears there, and then the other side has the little spiked head and little cuts for the Frankenstein version. So we got a little vampire and a little Frankenstein. I am so excited to paint this. So I'm hoping I'll be able to see some of the design once I paint over everything. We'll see how we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna start painting away and hopefully it all comes together. So I finished painting the green of the little Frankenstein face and it has finally dried. It took a hot minute. I've actually had to turn the heating on because one, it was getting quite chilly, and two, it was just taking forever to dry. I'm going to paint the purple side of the pumpkin now to do the little vampire face, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with the black and do all the extra detailing, and that also allows me to fix up any errors or anything that's just not looking very nice. I can make those clean lines with the black at the end. So I'm gonna just get straight into painting my little purple vampire face. So So I finished painting the purple face of the vampire for the little two-faced pumpkin that I have going on, and it looks so good. I'm so excited with how this is going to turn out. I'm just going to use my black Posca pen to do all the markings and drawings of this pumpkin. So the hair, the eyes, the smile, anything like that, I'm going to draw on and do any of those finishing touches to it and just add that character into my little two-faced pumpkin. I'm really excited with how this is going to turn out. So I'm just going to get straight into it and draw on everything I need to. Now the scariest part, the face. I'm really nervous for this bit. I feel like I'm gonna mess up, but I'm just going to trust myself and go for it. So cute! And that is my two-faced mini pumpkin all done and painted. I am so happy with how it has turned out. I really didn't think I honestly had the skills to do this so well, but I'm really shocked with the results and I think it looks amazing. I think the most important part is just tracing the hairline and getting it right with the pencil marking at the beginning, because after that it was just coloring in the lines. And honestly, I'm so proud with how it looks. I think it looks so amazing. I am genuinely shocked. You could definitely do this at home. It is actually not as hard as you may think, so please give it a go. But let me know in the comments down below which side of the little pumpkin is your favorite. I'm honestly torn. I think they're both so cute. Isn't it just the cutest thing you've ever seen? They're adorable. Ah! I'm so in love. Ah! I can't decide which one's my favorite. I'm gonna have to put it in front of a mirror just so I can see both sides at the same time. So cute. That's all from me today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. It really means the world to me and I would love to see you guys back here. So thank you again so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!